Omówione najważniejsze.
And we're back!
Mazel tov, America. I'm Tyler.
And I'm Roy McLovin.
And this is Brain Vomit.
And in other news, today, in our own backyard, Park Lane, New Carlisle, Ohio, we had tornadoes touch down. Tornadoes, that's right, Tyler.
Tornadoes?
Tornadoes.
Oh, man.
Exactly. And let's see what you have to say about it, Tyler.
Tornadoes spin.
Indeed they do, Tyler. And now let's go to the clip for Tornado.
I am Doug. And I'm Mike Wazowski. And tonight is Storm Damage, brought to you by Storm Damage, brought to you by Maybelline, your woman now. Whoa, 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 that's my car. Stop! Ah! Whoa, that's my car again. Stop! Drive. Drink my water. Window. Stop sign. Okay, when, there was a tornado and I freaked out and took my soda. And now to Cooking with Tyler, starring Tyler.
Hi, I'm Frank.
I got a beard. And this is Cooking with Tyler. And today we're going to make Frank's favorite food. Peanut butter and some kind of meat.
Yay! I like food.
Alright. Well, first, you want to take the peanut butter. Unscrew it off. Get a knife.
My mommy doesn't let me play with knives anymore.
Well, why not?
Because I took a kitty cat with a knife. And then I cry very much.
I'm sorry.
Is this a knife too?
That's not a knife.
What's this for, Tyler?
You'll see.
Oh, okay.
Then you take some more peanut butter.
Uh-huh. I like peanut butter.
That's good.
Sometimes I feed the elephants peanut butter at the carnival, but they take too much, so I take my peanut butter back, and then I get kicked out of carnival.
I'm sorry. Then, you take beans of some sort.
I can eat those.
We found these in our producer's car.
Yay! I can drive.
Open it.
Tyler, the can farted.
Oh. What do you think you're doing?
I ate some peanut butter off of the sandwich.
Okay.
It was good.
And these are green beans!
Yay!
Take the green beans.
Oh. Sometimes the nurses where I stay at on the weekends, they give me sandwiches like that, and it's pretty good.
And that's how you make apparently a peanut butter and green bean sandwich.
Yay! Green bean sandwich! My
Hold your chest up. Here, chest up.
That is messy. Oh no! I'm gonna get a paper towel.
And that's it for Cooking with Tyler. Well, he gets a paper towel. I'm Tyler.
I'm Frank.
You have a great day.
Bye. And now we have New Carlisle's very own Trevor Kopp and Seth Gilliam from the band Dying Sea. Come on out, you guys. Come on.
What's up?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How's it going? How's it going? Let's go.
Yeah, put your hand away.
Now, I just have a few questions for you guys.
Alright.
When did you guys start your band?
About 3 years ago, started off Brian and I.
In my pants.
Now,
And he took up bass and joined.
now, where is this Brian?
Gone.
Why is he not here today?
Brian, smoking a doobie.
That is not appropriate.
Fantastic. Now, how far do you guys want to go with this band?
All the way, that's what she said.
All the way.
You thinking of keeping your band members, adding some new people, getting rid of anybody?
Maybe add.
I like it the way it is, but I mean, if somebody else arises, get in here.
Sounds fantastic. How'd you like me for your singer?
No.
And why not?
Because I'm doing it.
You can just wait for us
I
in the
won't.
shower afterwards.
Excuse me?
No.
But did you say wait for him to die? That could happen pretty soon, you know. Now, is there any problems in your band right now?
Not really. I mean, other than not being here,
Yeah.
nothing really.
Other than that,
We're all,
you guys
we're all,
doing
real,
good?
we're all really good friends, and we get along quite well. We're like
In bed.
3 peas in a pod.
In bed.
Alrighty.
It's not 2.
Alrighty, well, let's see your clip, shall we?
Yep. Roll it.
And we're back. Thank you for the clip. Now, is there anything else you would like to tell the viewers tonight?
Come to open mic night Friday night, May 6th at Tecumseh High School. We're not performing. I am. It's kind of a self-promotion.
Alrighty, and another big announcement. This guy right here, and this guy hopefully will be making our new theme song. So rate it and tell us what you think. That'll be on the next episode. Thank you. And now on Random Stupidity. There we go.
And now to Roy's Random Stupidity, starring Roy.
Elisa, tell me, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Well, that's all we have for you today. So, goodbye and good night.
1 minute. Have a holly jolly Christmas. And in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. We do that a lot.